Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step CapCut tutorial for beginners. So if you're new to CapCut, you are in the right video, and here I'm going to start by showing you how you can create a new project. And this is CapCut PC interface. You'll see the CapCut tools in here, AI video, AI image, and other feature. And if you want to start a new project, you can just click on create project button. And this is CapCut PC editing page. So you can just import photos, videos, and audio files in here. And if you don't have one, you can also just use CapCut AI media or AI avatars. Or you can also go to the library in here, and you can use stock footage from CapCut. So for example, I'm going to just add a footage from here. Let's try maybe this one. You need to download it first if you haven't used it. Click on the plus button to add it into the timeline. Now let's move on to the next step. So if you want to trim, split, or maybe merge video, you can just here click on the video, and to trim you can just go to the edge of the video in a timeline, whether it's at the start or at the end, then just drag it like this. But if you want to split, here you can go to the point where you want to split, and there will be three options in here in splitting. You can go with this one if you only want to split the video, or you can also go with this one. So by clicking on this, you can split the video and also delete the part that you don't need on the left side, and this one on the right side. Now let's add music. You can just click on the audio at the top. So you can use CapCut music from CapCut library. You can also add sound effects or add your own music in here by uploading your audio from your device. So I'm going to just use music from CapCut. You can just again drag it to the timeline like this. And you can also trim and split the video like the clip. You can use the same steps like I showed you before. And now if you have more than one video, you can add transitions. Here I'm going to add another clip. Okay, so to add transition in between the clips, you can just go to transition and choose the type of transitions that you want. So I'm going to go, let's say, with the point A. Sorry. Okay, let's add to the clip. And this is how it will look like. You can also adjust the durations of the transitions on the top right corner. And it will go like this. If you want to add captions, so if your video has narrations, you can add captions by clicking on the captions in here, and you can easily use the auto captions features because CapCut will automatically detect the captions and add it into the clip. And if you want to export your project, you can just click on export at the top, and then you can choose or modify the export settings. You can choose the resolution, bitrate, and also the format. Then just click on export when you're done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.